Morning everybody, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching from. So today we are making stuffed zucchini, and right here we have our stuffing and zucchini. So we begin by scraping off the first layer. I personally prefer scraping to peeling. However, some people don't even peel it, they just wash it very well. Yeah, so you can do whatever is easy for you. Thank you guys for always coming back. Thank you for always subscribing, liking, commenting. Yeah, we then go on and remove the inside part. And this is what I use. Yeah, we remove the inside part carefully because we need the zucchini horror. We need that space for the stuffing. But you should be so careful. So we do the same to all the zucchini. Guys, if you're out there and you're like, I don't want zucchini, I can't eat it, I don't even want to try it, my dear, you haven't yet tried this recipe. But once you try it, trust me, you will love it. You may even end up adding it to your weekly menu. I'm sorry about the noise in the background. Yeah, I can't control nature. Don't forget to cut off that end. So you can see how carefully I do it. By the way, if you're new here, you're most welcome. Feel free, feel at home, and let's enjoy cooking. So you can see the inside very well. That's how it should be. I remember those days when I disliked this kind of food. Like, I would cook it, serve it, and everyone would enjoy it, apart from me. So one day I decided to try it. I cooked it and the food was really nice. The food looked so nice. The food smelled really nice. Like, it was so appetizing, you know. So that's the very first time that I tried the food. The food was so nice, guys. The taste, oh my god. I was like, what's this? I've been missing, you know? So since then, I became a fan. You can see how I'm doing it, guys. We should be so careful so as not to damage it, because we don't want the stuffing to come out. If we damage it, like at the bottom, on the sides, the stuffing will then come out. So that's not what we need. Yeah. I love the nature. I love the sound of the birds. So we are making our last one. You can see all the inside that I've removed. That is our zucchini. We're done. So now we go on and wash our zucchini. This is our zucchini ready. I was putting it in water, by the way. So we wash it very well. So right here we have the stuffing. We have rice. This is Egyptian rice, by the way. We have parsley, onions, fresh coriander, and tomatoes. So here we love more vegetables, by the way, more than rice. But if you love more rice than vegetables, you can still do it. You can use more like rice more than vegetables, but here you can see I'm using a lot of parsley more than the rice. For those of you who love meat, you can also add minced meat to the stuffing. But here, like, we don't love eating it with meat because some people don't like meat. So I just make what everyone will eat. So we put Bezard or the Arabian spice mix. Some coriander powder. Salt. Olive oil. And then mix well. So this is our stuffing. We soak the rice for 30 minutes. Egyptian rice for 30 minutes. After mixing everything well, we then start stuffing the zucchini, as you can see. But we don't have to make the zucchini full, by the way. Like, you should put 3/4. Look, see, you put 3/4. Reason being, when the rice cooks, like, it will be full. We have to leave that space for the rice. So we stuff all of them. So we are done stuffing our zucchini. This is our zucchini stuffed and ready for cooking. So we go on and put oil in a pan. We saute onions, add some garlic, some black pepper, a little bit of turmeric. We put Bezard, some coriander powder, salt, tomato paste, and then blended tomatoes. So our sauce is made up of tomato puree, blended tomatoes. Then we start arranging our zucchini. I love arranging, by the way, food when cooking. If you follow the videos, you will see it. I don't just throw food inside the pan. So we add some water, cover, and cook on high for 15 minutes. This is our zucchini on high. After 15 minutes, we then cover again and turn to low for 40 minutes. So this is our zucchini after 40 minutes. You can enjoy your food. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and